This is Andrew Bosin. I'm a technology lawyer specializing in SaaS and artificial intelligence AI, startup companies, entrepreneurs, and developers and enterprise vendors. I represent these types of companies all across the US. I am a fixed fee lawyer, which means you pay up front, but it includes all my time, all the calls, all the emails, all the texts between me, and all the drafts and the revisions of the agreements that I draft for you. Not a lot of lawyers do that. Some lawyers in the back end will charge you additional monies for reviewing agreements past a certain time period. One of the things that distinguishes me from other tech lawyers is I've built 2 tech startups from the ground up. My first SaaS company I exited in 2017. I was the general counsel. Second company, I'm currently the GC of a predictive analytics artificial intelligence platform geared towards youth sports. I devote about 10 to 15% of my time, maybe 20% of my time to my startup, and the other 80% of my time I devote to my law firm clients. If you are doing an AI platform or develop some sort of AI feature, or you have a SaaS product or application and you're integrating with an AI feature from OpenAI, Anthropic, or Google's Gemini, you're going to need an attorney that knows how to draft your privacy policy, terms of use, customer subscription agreement, and an acceptable use policy. If you get a lawyer on the phone, do yourself a favor. If you don't hire me, I'm hoping you're going to hire me. I'll give you my details at the end. But you know what? Look up the buzzwords. Ask them if they know what input is and what output is and what AI training data is. And see, what they would do in terms of who owns the output, the client or the vendor. These are all, really important buzzwords. I mean, you need to include the terms from the third-party providers such as Google or OpenAI right into your terms or subscription agreement. You need to put in a ton of language about the content, which is the output, and whether or not the content can be trusted and how can they use the content. And you need to put in disclaimers about the output and the AI that's being powered to use and create the output. A lot of lawyers will represent that they're an AI lawyer, or will represent that they know how to build an AI company, or they can protect you. I can tell you that drafting these agreements are tedious. You ask your clients a lot of questions about what they're doing, how do they build their AI feature, how does it work, are you using a third-party provider, again, like OpenAI or Google or Gemini, and using that AI feature to add on to your SaaS application. Let's say you're doing something, but you want to make it more efficient, let's say customer service, and you want AI to take over. You have to know how to draft your subscription agreement to limit your liability, your warranty. You have to protect your intellectual property, make sure that no one is using, the data in an improper way or an illegal way. You got to make sure that the client is going to indemnify your company if they do something negligent or illegal with the data. Then there's the data itself, and what can the vendor do with it? Can the vendor share it? Can the vendor, license it out to other parties? Can the vendor, use the data not for, in conjunction with the services that they're providing? These are all the questions that I will answer for clients, and will make sure that they are legally protected. Again, my AI predictive analytics platform that I've built with partners is out there. We're selling it. We have customers. And I'm seeing these legal issues every day. If you are looking for a good artificial intelligence AI lawyer that can help you with legal terms, and you're integrating with OpenAI or Gemini or Anthropic or another third-party AI feature company, please call me Andrew Bosin all across the US for a free consult at 201-446-9643.